Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX nickel market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened on last Friday and what we expected on that. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates last Friday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 967. We expect a nickel to stay in selling, maintaining 982 as resistance. Right after the opening, the price came down again, went up near 976, found resistance, and it came down till 953, and it had a very big consolidation, again found resistance around 967 and closed near 960. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 970s. So we are going to witness a price opening more or less near the average Friday's high. So what we can do today, there is no change in our plan. You can go for selling in nickel market, but the selling should be extended till 986 by placing stop loss near 988. So split your positions or add your positions when the price hits the resistance. So let us see what's going to happen. Whenever you have some profit, book it and exit from the market. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.